Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put thumbnails to your video. So if you've made your first YouTube video and you've posted it and you found out that the thumbnail is not coming out how it's supposed to be and you want to add, so this is what you do. So I go back to this video and then let's look at this. So you come over to these three dots that you're seeing here and you see where they said edit. So you come to it, then you see this pencil icon, you click on it, and then you see where it said custom thumbnail, because we don't want the ones that they picked from the video. Click on custom thumbnail, and then you can see I've already created the thumbnail using Canva. So if you don't have your own custom thumbnail, I'm going to show you guys how to do, so stick around. So I already have mine now, so I'm going to click on it. You can see I have it here. Then I'm going to click on done. I'm going to click on done. So and then I'm going to click on save. So you can see that it has changed from the thumbnail that it has before to this. This is how you change your thumbnail. So I told you guys that if you stick around, I'm going to show you guys how to create your thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my Canva. I'm going to open it. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store and download. So I'm going to go to my home, and then let me do this. So sorry, let me just skip for now and just exit. Let me open it again. So I come to my Canva, it's opening, and this is what it shows me. So you see this is my home. So what would I like to create? I like to create a YouTube thumbnail. So I click on this. So it's loading. I'll just wait a bit for it to load. It's taking longer because of my internet connection. So load. So you can see this came out, and you can see it says describe your ideal design. So I'm just going to just type in word down a thumbnail. Let me put a YouTube thumbnail for how to create a YouTube thumbnail on YouTube. So and then I click on search, and then see it's giving me various designs, so you can choose whichever one you want. So you can see here, anyone that you see that has this crown, it means you have to subscribe to the premium subscription. But if it doesn't have the crown, then it's for free. So I'm going to look for the ones that don't have the crown, because I'm using the free version. And then I think I like this. Let me just use this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this to YouTube. So what do? I go over to my phone. So you can use any web browser you have, and click on YouTube icon. So load this image. I come back and I click on replace. See, choose this. It's supposed to replace. I'll do it again. So it has replaced. So I don't really like the red, so I'm going to change the color to something like this. I think this is better. Better like this. Okay. I think this color is better, so I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'm going to download. I feel the concern of the AAC candidate that says the other candidates did not even attend the debates. What do you expect quality information in a robust festival like the years when people debates? So I'm having issues with my network. So when people ought to debate. And as regards to location, so you can see it's downloading. So download, continue in the background, and then see if I click open and open it with my photos just once. See, I have my YouTube thumbnail design. So guys, thank you for watching today's video.